my friends. Today,
January 23rd.
Documented. Today is January 23rd, and we are going in the snow. This is not an official Blizzard video, but it classifies as one because we're stuck at Lex's house.
But it's a party.
We're having party, and this is Blizzard 2016 and or Blizzard Part 2.
AKA Blizzard
whichever
Jonas.
you
It's called Jonas, like the Jonas Brothers.
Yes.
Wait, also, Mitchell Musso, because I know you're watching, I'm a huge fan.
I'm such a moosh head.
So we're going in the snow,
Can
and
I have
we'll
a
bring you guys
sweatshirt?
with
Yeah.
us.
Yes, we will. Oh, Sammy tried to leave.
I
We're
tried
not
to
gonna
leave,
talk about why. And she went.
Claire.
and I got snowed in. So.
I mean,
Well, yeah, so we're stuck here.
Blizzard Jonas 2016. Mitchell Musso, send a prayer.
We are currently outside, and I'm just grabbing my hat.
Sammy, I'm showing your license plates. You're gonna take this part out.
Don't show my license plate.
Saying, this is my car. It's completely covered. Hello. I love walking in the snow. Would you look at this? Hello, friends. Oh my god, it's so bad out. Sammy tried to drive away, and it's already been covered.
Yeah, her tracks have been covered from when she tried to escape.
You can't even see my car tracks.
I just said that on mine too.
Hold on, we're almost done, guys. All right.
Oh my gosh, it's
Blizzard Musso.
blind.
We're outside. We're taking a journey.
We are walking down my driveway. Oh no.
Too far.
Oh look, it's friends.
Look how slow this car is going.
Wait.
It's so cold. Sammy's viewers, it is so cold.
This is what it looks like. We got some snow,
sidewalk.
You can't see anything. Sidewalk.
Driving. That's a bad. Oh my god. Oh my god. Why are they driving?
Who dares me to go run and make a snow angel?
No, you're gonna be so cold.
No, yeah, I don't want to. It's snowing! Wait, guys, let's have a race. Who can get from this tree to that tree over there? House. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
These shoes are so big.
Hey, snow in my shoes.
I win.
This is fun. I haven't gone in the snow for like 17 years, so that's how old I am.
It is pretty bad considering we're not even touching the ground.
Yeah. There's snow in my eyes.
I was trying to spit. I've had this saliva issue
Oh no, my phone
since I got sick.
Oh, I'm
right.
sorry, poo.
And there's only one left. This isn't as bad as the other Blizzard, because the other Blizzard was easy, but
The other Blizzard, I was in New York and they made us stay in the hotel. Like they wouldn't let us leave.
that's so funny.
Hi, friends.
These steps are making me have some issues. This is the snow Blizzard Part 2, my friends.
Let's go, Jonas. Woo! Nick Jonas is my favorite because he's on screen.
Claire, do you have anything to add? Ooh, I'm gonna try to do a cartwheel in the snow. I have
You're gonna
what a
fall on
bad
your
idea.
ass.
Ready?
Go for it.
You can do a cartwheel in the snow, but you can't drive.
Hold it. I want to.
I can't
I want to
see.
leap. I want to leap.
Can't even see.
Woo! Woo!
I saw it.
Go team!
Ready? Blizzard 2016.
Let's
That's
go.
where it's
Blizzard. Go team!
Oh my god, I like
Glow Blizzard 2016.
Oh, when I smacked my butt. Oh, that hurt. Oh, friends.
Ready? Go.
Here